Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make non-public email. First, let's understand why email privacy is crucial in our digital world. Protecting your email address helps prevent spam, phishing attempts, and unwanted data collection. We'll explore practical strategies to keep your inbox secure and your personal information private. This guide will help you navigate the options available, ensuring your online communications remain confidential and controlled. One effective strategy is using email aliases. An alias is like a nickname for your main email, allowing you to receive messages without revealing your primary address. Many email providers offer this feature, letting you generate several unique addresses that all funnel into one inbox. This way, if an alias receives too much spam, you can simply delete it without affecting your main account. It's a simple yet powerful tool for maintaining privacy. For even greater privacy, consider dedicated email services. These platforms often prioritize user anonymity and employ robust encryption methods, like end-to-end encryption, to secure your communications. Some services allow you to sign up without providing any personal details, further separating your email from your real identity. They can offer features such as disposable email addresses or custom domains, giving you more control over your digital footprint. To maintain maximum anonymity, always avoid linking your private email to any public profiles or accounts. When accessing your private email, especially on public networks, consider using a virtual private network or VPN to encrypt your internet connection. Regularly review your email provider's privacy settings and update them as needed. By following these best practices, you can significantly enhance your email privacy and keep your communications secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.